In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Chime debit card. Now, getting a Chime debit card is incredibly simple and it requires you creating a Chime checking account. So what you would need to do is you would need to open up the Google Play Store if you're on an Android or the App Store if you're on an iOS device and just look up Chime right over here and it is a free application. Then you want to go ahead and install it. And in order to get your debit card, please be prepared to provide these pieces of information: your personal information including your name, date of birth, address, social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, and no credit check is required. And this process takes about 2 minutes right over here. And once your application is approved, Chime will set up your checking account and then you'll automatically be enrolled to receive a Chime Visa debit card, which is already linked to your debit card. So basically, Chime is going to mail your debit card to the address that you provided, and it typically arrives within 7 to 10 business days. And it is honestly that simple. In order to get a Chime debit card, you just need to make a Chime account right over here. You don't need to do anything else apart from just creating the Chime account in general. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.